Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the marine traffic application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the tools section, click on the settings button. And then click on the notifications button. And within this section, look for the enable on this device button, and to set it, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned blue, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.